You need to try these coffee cake cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. First thing you're going to do is combine 1 cup of light brown sugar, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 1/2 cup of butter at room temperature. And you're going to beat this together until the mixture becomes nice and creamy, just like this. Now you'll blend in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 egg plus 1 egg yolk, and then 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And all 3 of those are in that little container. Pour that in. Now at this point, you're supposed to add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and I highly encourage you to do that, but I forgot it. So I added in my 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and once that was blended in and I had a beautiful soft dough, I realized that I was missing the cinnamon in here. So I added in 2 teaspoons of cinnamon and I blended that in, which is not ideal because you don't want to overwork the dough, but it turned out all right. So I put in my cinnamon, blended it in just so that it was combined. And now for the Streusel topping. That is 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1/4 cup of butter softened, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And you just blend it all together until the butter is all blended in and it looks a little bit like coarse oatmeal. Next step is to take the cookie dough and put it in big dollops on a cookie sheet that's greased or covered with a silicone mat or parchment. And then you're going to press an indentation in the top of each of the dough balls. I'm using the back of my cookie scoop, which made the perfect shape and size. Then take a little bit of that Streusel topping and put it in the center of each of your little dough balls inside that indent. And it worked out perfectly. I had about 20 cookies and just the perfect amount of Streusel topping to go in each one, and I didn't have any left over. Worked out perfectly. Bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes or so until they are light brown on the bottom. While they are baking, you can make the topping for these, or the drizzle. It's 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, a tablespoon of milk or cream, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir that around until it's smooth, and then take a spoon and just drizzle some over your baked cookies. It's okay to drizzle them when the cookies are still a little bit warm. They don't have to be cool completely. And once they're drizzled, go ahead and eat them. These cookies are really good, and they taste remarkably like coffee cake, which I guess is why they call them that. Really nice cookie, excellent cinnamon flavor. You have a really nice cookie with a delicious sweet cinnamony Streusel topping that's a little bit crunchy, and then that lovely drizzle on top with adds even more sweetness and a little bit more cinnamon flavor. The only thing I would change with these is I probably would double the glaze, just because the person I was making these for really likes them sweet. These cookies are going on my cookie playlist. I have many cookies on this playlist. I'm sure you'll find one that you will love. And if you like coffee cake, I have a couple of those too, and those will also be on your screen. Thank you so much for watching.